One of my many food pleasures are tempuraed vegetables. I love spiced crisp batter that yields to a nice soft vegetable filling, but not too soft. I don't want the vegetables inside to go mushy. They've still got to have their identity and they've still got to have that wonderful flavour. But a plate of tempuraed veg with a really gutsy sauce like a garlicky mayonnaise or a chilli sauce absolutely ticks every box for me. And I'm quite happy just to dive in with friends to a plate full of these with a few drinks. Now I've just got a couple of courgettes and I've just sliced them. I've kept the skin on. Now you can cut them into rounds or batons, but I've just cut them into small matchsticks. I'm going for a spice batter here, and in the bowl I've got 100 grams of corn flour, 100 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and I've got 2 cloves of garlic that I've peeled and crushed, and I've just loosely mixed that all together. And that will give you a lovely smoky batter that is going to go so well with the courgettes. You can add more spices. You can add things such as fennel is fantastic in there, curry powder, turmeric, chilli, but I'm just keeping it very, very simple. But I particularly love the garlic in there as well, because it won't overcook in the batter, but every bite that you have gives you a lovely little kick of the garlic, and it's wonderful. All I'm going to do to finish the batter is add some cold water, just enough to give me almost a double cream consistency. Don't worry if you have any lumps in there. You shouldn't have, but if you have, don't worry about it too much. There we go. Okay, just give it a little whisk together. And the smell you get from the garlic and the smoked paprika is absolutely wonderful. But there, I think that's done. It's nice and thick. I'm just going to go in with a spoon just to show you that it just pours off. It's beautiful, it's thick, and this will coat the vegetables really well. And all you need to do is just take the vegetables, and the easiest way is just to pop them all in one go in the bowl. Give them a good stir around just so they get beautifully coated. You don't need to coat them in flour first of all. These courgettes are slightly moist enough that they will take on the batter enough and they will still be coated in batter when they've been deep fried. I've set the fryer to 180 centigrade, and when it's at temperature, all you need to do is take a small spoonful of the mixture and just carefully place it in the batter. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. I normally go for about 5 or 6 spoonfuls at a time, but it only takes about 30 seconds for them to cook. And what will happen is they will separate out beautifully, they will rise to the top, you will have a gorgeously shatteringly crisp golden brown batter. And at that stage, as soon as they've floated, just drain them on kitchen paper, sprinkle over a load of sea salt,